Hi guys, welcome again. Welcome for another video. So today we will see how to hill start a manual transmission car. People use various methods for starting a manual transmission car on a hill. Today we will discuss about 4 different methods by which we can hill start a manual transmission car. With the surge of automatic transmission vehicles in the market, today's world, hill starting has become as easy as ever. But still, with a manual transmission car, it needs some practice and training to master the technique. So today I am going to show you 4 different methods of hill starting with my 2017 Hyundai Creta. So let's go straight into the video.
The first method is the parking brake method. Put on the parking brake, then put the vehicle in gear. Release the clutch to the halfway point where you can feel the bite. Press the throttle slightly and then you can feel the vehicle urging to move. By the time, just release the parking brake and the vehicle will move forward. Let us have a look from the outside. When we release the clutch to the half point and press the throttle, we can see the rear suspension going down. At that time, just release the parking brake and the vehicle will move forward. Next is the half clutch method. This is a very simple method and I use this method. Just start the vehicle with your brakes, put it in gear, release the clutch to the halfway point where you can feel the bite, then just leave the brakes and the clutch will prevent the vehicle from rolling back. At that time, just press the throttle and then release the clutch and move forward. Next is the heel toe method. Just put the vehicle in gear. What we are going to do is, we have to press the brake and the throttle simultaneously with our right foot. We have to use the heel to press the brake and toe for the throttle. Not possible with my 12-inch foot, so I am using the middle of my feet. And then just release the clutch and the brake simultaneously and then press the throttle. The vehicle will move forward. I feel this method somewhat complicated. Just share your thoughts in the comment section if any of you are using this method. Here, let's have a look through my dashcam. Next, I am going to show you the final method, for which I don't exactly remember the name. This method is used by truck and bus drivers to prevent the wear on their clutch. Just put the vehicle in gear, hold it using your brakes, and then take your foot off the brake and press the throttle immediately. Here, the vehicle will move an inch backward and then it will start moving forward. This method is recommended only for heavy commercial vehicles to prevent the wear on their clutch. Here we can clearly see the vehicle rolling back when I release the brake and then it again starts to move forward when I press the throttle. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and comment. For more videos, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.